Yoruba World Media.
Hello everyone. I think it's very important that we state certain factors, that are bedeviling us as a country called Nigeria. It's critically important that we must understand that Nigeria is in its dying throes. No matter what the undertakers or the handlers want us to believe, it is clear that Nigeria is expiring. The downward slide is irrevocable. It's obvious to everyone, but we are all trying to say we are living in denial. So here we go. It's clear that everybody wants out of Nigeria. The Hausa want out. The Yoruba want out. The Igbos have been saying they want out for over half a century. Why they just even went on an insurrection to get themselves out. So who wants Nigeria? It's just obvious as it is the Novel Rich and the Fulani elite that want the country. So whatever is being patched together now is at the instance of the Fulani elite. And they are the ones sponsoring this insurrection to frighten the present ruler of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, to do their bidding. Nigeria cannot survive. It will not survive. The indices are all over the whole place. But people, the people that are busy terrorizing the country are not called terrorists. IPOB did its own in the southeast before the counts of one or two. They've already been labeled terrorists. Whereas the people that are busy killing everyone all over Nigeria, raping people in the villages, destroying farms and farmers, cutting farmers' hands off, raping women, all over Nigeria, all over. They have not spared any part of the country. You have never suggested that they be labeled terrorists. And these are the real terrorists. There is none of them, all these people that have been saying, that are Christians. All of them are Muslims. None of them is a southerner. All of them are from the north. So it's clear and obvious. They are even holding meetings with them. So there is a massive, very, very interwoven conspiracy here. And that conspiracy is going to be what will lead to their doom. The doom of the northern elites, that is the Fulani elites, and the doom of the Boko Haram, the doom of the Hausa the Fulani herdsmen, and even the ISWAP, the Islamic State of West Africa province, famously called bandits. Whatever they are doing now, trying to think that they will want to destabilize everyone and then take over our land and take over our properties, kill off the people on the land, will not succeed. Now everybody has woken up. I think they have climbed the tree beyond the leaves, and they can only drop down to the ground. So here we go. Let's watch and see what will happen next. Thank you.
Play. Dear mama, let them fuck down. Let them fuck down everywhere. Pop. Oh boy, I like it. Let's yeah, yes, now. Oh, yeah, yes, now. Now we the win. Nigeria Army is winning. Nigeria Army is winning. Payback time. 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 Man, game for HIT, they play.
We have many sources of income in Nigeria, and that if our leaders are honest and truthful and they are ready to work, Nigeria will be among the best countries in the world because we have what it takes. Our leaders are our problem. The only we are not having any problem in Nigeria. The only problem we are having are the leaders. Even me as somebody, I'm saying it publicly that if they can just do mass burial for all our leaders and let we the youth start ruling, you will see that everything will go the way it should go. Our leaders are our problem. I'm telling you, they can come and arrest me. If they should kill me, 1,000 people like me will still stand in this country. So that's it. Our leaders are our problem. We are not having any problem with our leaders. Our leaders, they are our problem. How can someone see? I don't even know what, because the issue is even annoying. How even under normal circumstances, apart from their salary, they're not supposed to be giving them wardrobe allowance, all this one allowance, all this one what is the meaning of that? The money our leaders are collecting a month in some country of the world, some presidents are not collecting it in a year. I'm saying it publicly. So that's all. Someone even compensate me for talking and give me water.
A withdrawal that order that has been given, I think if we are not careful, there will be more now, because I watched a film of a video of one of the kidnappers or bandits boasting that they are going to get the head of the Mr. President, they are going after politicians, and they are going after, and these people are all repentant. Mr. Speaker, respect colleagues, I want to say that without missing words. So I want to appeal that order, there's need to review that order.
This video is a must watch. If you don't have data, make sure you borrow data from your network provider and watch this video till the end. Guys, if you have anybody, any family or friends abroad that is planning to come back home this festive season, or you have anybody in the far north, in the far east, or the western part of the country that is planning to come back home, please tell them to book a flight. If they don't have money to book a flight, please, they must stay wherever they are, because as you can see on this video, the road is not safe. These people have taken over our roads. They have taken over everything. As you can see on this video, when you are traveling on the road and you meet a group of people like this, what are you going to do, my sister, my brother? May God bring a lasting solution. Every day you wake up in this country, you wake up to meet a bad news. Like, what is going on? What is going on? This thing is getting serious. Please, as you are watching this video, make sure you are sharing it. It will save a lot of people. May God help us. May God bring a lasting solution.
What media? Ìkànnì tó dúró tán fún jàǹgbara òmìnira ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. What media?